Hello all, welcome to Hungry Hunt. Janmashtami and Nandotsav is just round the corner, and to celebrate it, Team Hungry Hunt is here with taler bora or sugar palm fritters. It is the main prasad in West Bengal on this day of the puja, and it was a once a year celebration of eating this sweet item in our house in my childhood too. Tal, commonly called Palmyra palm, is a native to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. It is also called sugar palm. See the fruit, it is covered with a black husk. While purchasing tal from the market, always select a black colored tal. To make the dish, first I will start by preparing the tal. Here, first you have to take the upper part out. Next, I remove the skin. See this husk, the black part, you have to remove nicely with your hand. Once the top part and the skin is removed, we get the golden yellow pulp. Next, I'll open it. See, usually we get 3 seeds inside. 1, 2, 3. Actually, the Palmyra palm fruit is allowed to remain on the tree and eventually it ripens. This results in the tender mesocarp turning into this fibrous coated mass, and we will take the pulp out of this mass, and with this mass we are going to prepare the fritters. Next, I will show you how you will take the pulp out. See the seed, it is fibrous and the pulp is inside the fibrous part. We have to take this out. Using very little amount of water in your hand, do this. Sprinkle some amount of water in it and take the pulp out like this. Many people use sieve to do this. I am doing it with my hand. But don't use too much of water. Sprinkle water and take it out. I am through with one seed. See? Now I'll do the second one. Again I'll sprinkle water and I'll take it out. Use water and take the pulp out. See, I've taken the pulp out and these are the 3 seeds. Don't throw these seeds away. Keep them in your garden or in your plant pot. After 2 months, you will get something called ankur inside this. It is lovely to taste. Now, since I have taken the pulp out directly, I'll sieve it. Here, I have taken a strainer and I'll pour the pulp. Some amount of fiber has come out, hence I am doing this. This will separate the fiber if there is any. See, I'll show you with hand. This is the fiber. This should be removed. So finally the pulp is ready. I hope you have seen the process of extraction of the pulp carefully. To the pulp, I am now going to add sugar and all-purpose flour or maida. If the size of your sugar is big, make it a powder. But since I am using very fine grained sugar, I am not powdered it. It is raw sugar I am using. You can use any sugar like the common white sugar. And the batter should be fritter-like. The batter is ready now. I have mixed sugar and flour in it. See the consistency of the batter. It should be thick. Now it is ready to be fried. The taler bora should always be fried in mustard oil. Here I have taken mustard oil in a deep bottom karai and I put the fritters. The oil is medium hot. The fritters should be fried till golden brown. Control the temperature as it is needed. Don't overcrowd it. See, lovely color has come. I'll fry both the sides in similar manner. Taler bora is ready. I'll take it out in absorbent paper. I'll fry the rest of the fritters in similar manner. So our taler bora is ready. Enjoy it once it gets cooled. This taler bora seems to be a Thai fighter, but see, I taught you so easily. Follow the steps and give it a try. For detail of ingredients, see description box below. Stay safe, eat at home. Goodbye.